Good sunny afternoon, everybody, from Clearwater, Florida. Jayson with MarineMax. Wanted to show you a quick trade we just literally brought in, but I wanted to get it out to everybody to see. This is a 2013 320 Outrage, twin 300 Verado engines. This boat is absolutely immaculate. One owner boat, service records are fantastic. A lot of nice storage on your bait prep station here. Freshwater basin, utensil holders, monster live well. You can see here the vinyl work is fantastic. Captains and companions chairs, footrest, garbage bin. Really nice electronics package on this boat. We have Garmin 7215 touchscreens, your vessel view for your engines, and then a autopilot system as well. You can see your remote spotlight control here, spreader lights, map lights, and then your actuated window vent here in the front. Electronics box up top on tension springs so it won't fall down on you. Just a really nice setup. The 320 Outrage is extremely popular. This customer also added to this boat a really cool LED light package. When you turn the courtesy lights on, they'll come on blue. Turn that switch off, back on, they go, I believe it's red, pink, and white. So really cool LED package. The boat's also equipped with blue LED underwater lights, 3 of them. Moving forward here, the walkways are really large. I don't have to turn it all. Again, you can see the vinyl on this boat is in excellent condition. The boat was extremely well maintained. I'll repeat that, it's worth repeating. Large center console seat. This is literally how we got the boat in on trade. We haven't even detailed it yet. You can see the flip down trolling seats and the gunnels here. You'll have another one to the port side as well. Windlass anchor up front. Open that locker for you with remote control. Just an excellent used boat. The service records, again, are impeccable on this boat. You have closed array Garmin radar. There's the remote spotlight. The boat's pre-rigged with outriggers. If you have any interest at all, this is a fantastic new boat for you to run offshore in or just do some awesome day boating. So give the team here in Clearwater a phone call, 727-536-2628. And we'll look forward to hearing from you. Again, 2013 320 Outrage here at MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for your time. Happy boating.